assignment. But before I do that, I want to explain something about creating a preset in Adobe Camera Raw. So I'll go to the filter. Let me select this photo, Camera Raw Filter, and I'm going to the presets. For example, I want to create a preset from this log. Click on the burger menu and save. When you're creating it, I told you that you need to uncheck this, but I forgot to tell you to uncheck the crop as well. Make sure that you are not checking the crop, because the people who are using their photo, maybe they don't want the crop that you made for your photo. So make sure this is unchecked as well. But only these things will be checked: the HSL, the split toning, and all of these other stuff. So this was I wanted to tell you. Now your homework is to work on the same photo or another photo and use Camera Raw to create your own look. I can't wait to see what looks you will come up with. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.